Hello, Sealy Clark here. I'd like to share with you today how to get your 30-day free trial to the autoresponder called GetResponse. If you don't know what an autoresponder is, let me explain it to you real quick. It's basically a tool that lets you email all of your customers or potential customers with just one email and a simple one click of your mouse. So you don't have to email them one by one. You just queue up one email and blast it out to them. I use GetResponse in my online businesses, Freedom with Us, Now Lifestyle, and List Leverage, just to name a few. But no matter whether you're in an online or an offline business, you can use it for whatever business you're into. Like I said, it doesn't matter. As a matter of fact, there are a lot of businesses, offline businesses, that use it as well, like doctors, lawyers, dentists, plumbers, chiropractors, flower shops, Reiki practitioners, massage therapists, barbershops. And they're using that especially in these strange times because many brick and mortar stores or offline businesses are using GetResponse to build their email list of current potential customers so that they can keep in touch with them without their customers having to walk into the store to get the special offers and promos that they're offering. The best thing about GetResponse, like I said, is it has a 30-day free trial and it allows you to build a list of up to 1,000 leads and or customers so that you can keep in contact with them and so you can market to them and give them value. So today I'll be showing you how to get signed up to GetResponse for free. The first thing you need to do is to go through the link below this video, which will bring you to the GetResponse main website, as you see here in the video. That's what it looks like. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go up to the upper right hand corner and click the blue button that says sign up for free. Once you do that, you'll see a thing on the left-hand side that says start your free trial now. And what they're going to have you do is they're going to have you enter your name, they're going to have you enter your email, and then they're going to have you create a password. Once you've done that, you click the yellow button that says create account. And once that's done, congratulations, your GetResponse account is now created. They will send you an email with your login details and I think password. But even though GetResponse sends you those details, be sure to still put the information that you signed up with uh, all in a safe place where you can access it later. I suggest going to your best email account, whatever email account you used here on the form to sign up with. And what you're going to do is you're actually going to go create a draft like you're writing someone an email, and then just put your name, email, and password for GetResponse in there. Label it GetResponse login details, and then you have it someplace safe for your future use. That being said, please stay tuned for future videos from me on how to use GetResponse for your business. If you like this video and the GetResponse training, please be sure to click the like button under this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon under here so that you do not miss any future videos on how to use GetResponse, as well as many other things. Again, thanks for watching. This is Sealy Clark signing off, and until we talk again, have a good day.